Our planet is facing a plastic terror. Mountains of waste are piling up in our oceans and landfills. But what if this waste wasn't the end of the story? Enter TwInN4MicroUp, a European partnership using green technologies to transform plastic waste into a resource. We collect and sort plastic, then use bio and mechanochemical methods to break it down into its basic building blocks. Inside our bioreactors, microbial cell factories feed on these blocks. Using biotechnology, they upcycle waste into something new, converting pollution into valuable biopigments, biosurfactants, bio-oils, and biomaterials. But we are building more than just products. We are creating the MicroUp Hub, a center of excellence connecting industry, academia, and society to train the next generation of experts. TwInn4MicroUp, steering toward a sustainable, plastic-free future. Join the hub at TwInn4MicroUp.eu.